Hi, hello. I wish to introduce myself as Dr. M. Saravanan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Commerce International Business in Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore. I wish to introduce my department. My department is Commerce International Business. The department offers two courses, one UG course and one PG course. UG course is BCom International Business, BCom IB, and PG course is MCom International Business, MCom IB. The PG course was incepted in 1999 and the UG course was incepted in 2013. The students are team aligned into groups and various activities are conducted like case analysis, group discussion, debate, quiz, etc. to make them industry ready. Apart from the regular curriculum, value-added courses are offered in association with the industry so that the gap between academics and industry are filled. The department has produced 20 university ranks in UG and 18 university ranks in PG since its inception. I take immense pleasure in introducing my students who are successfully placed in various companies.
Hi, I am Gokul from Palakkad. I have completed my post-graduation in International Business from Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore in 2010. I got placed in the Sanmark Group in the same year. There, I was taking care of claiming and accounting of various export incentives and post-export documentation. I was there for 6 years. Then, I joined in the Saint Gobain Group, Palakkad, as team leader logistics. Now, I am taking care of various logistics and commercial activities. MIB helped me to shape my career. I am really proud of being an MIBA.
Hi, this is Karthik. I am from Ooty. I have completed my post-graduation in International Business from Sri Narayana Guru College. Initially, I have started my career as a marketing executive in a freight forwarding company. In freight forwarding, my role is completely a container sales for export. And then I stepped into a liner company called Samsara Shipping as an operations executive. In operations, my role is completely vessel operations. There are various kinds of vessels we are handling, like bulk, break bulk, ro-ro, oil, container, etc. For all the vessels, I have taken care of berthing, sailing, loading, unloading, etc. Simultaneously, I have done my STCW sailing course from Amit University and I got my CDC and COC. And then I have started my sailing in Suez Canal container vessel for 8 months. And next contract, I have shifted into a ro-ro vessel called Hoke St. Petersburg. I was there for 8 months. After completing my 1.5 years of sailing, I have shifted into a shore job. At present, I was working in Inchcape Shipping Service as a market analyst, and I am completely taking care of port, berth, and terminal for US, Europe, and Asian countries. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Nishant Kiran. I had done my Masters in International Business from Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore in the year of 2009-2011. If you can do this course, you can easily get a job in logistics, export, import, airline or shipping line industries. Also, if after finishing this course, if you can do a crash course in SAP Materials Management or SAP Logistics Management or SAP Supply Chain Management, there will be a wide range of opportunities inside India as well as outside India, and also you can earn like an IT employee. Those who are interested to join this course may contact Mr. Saravanan, HOD, Department of International Business, Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore. His contact number is 994343 7749. Thank you.
Hi all, this is Naveen Krishnan. I'm an alumni of Sri Narayana Guru College. So I'm working in Standard Chartered Bank as an officer in Bangalore. So I have done my BCom in International Business in Srinarayana Guru College and Masters in International Business in Bangalore itself. So we are very excited and happy to say that we were the first batch for BCom International Business in the Srinarayana Guru College, and it was a quite happy and awesome experience with the faculties and also with the college environment. Thank you.
Myself Shalu Swaminathan. I'm working in Cochin International Airport as a customer agent for Air India. I have completed my BCom IB and MCom IB in Srinarayana Guru College, Coimbatore. I'd like to thank all my faculties and my college for providing very, very beautiful inputs and infrastructure for building all the success in my career. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I'm Surya. I have completed BCom specialized in International Business from Srinarayana Guru College at the year of 2019, and now I'm working in Hindustan Global Solution Private Limited in Bangalore as Trainee Customer Relation Officer. And at this moment, I would like to convey my gratitude towards my all faculties for supporting me through this entire journey. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Benny Deva from Palakkad. I have been part of international business family in Srinarayana Guru College for the last 5 years. From 2015 onwards, I have been part of this department. 2015, I have joined BCom IB, and later on I moved to MCom IB in 2018. The department and the institution is very much helpful in all the senses, mainly in my placements. I have been placed in Tyroke Technologies, Infosys, and ICICI Bank during my UG degree. Also, I have been placed in HRH Next, DX Tech, GICE, R&D Soft, and Lakshmi Cargo Company in my PG degree. I sincerely thank my staffs for their selfless help for my project internship and my placements. The department also organizes the internship programs, outbound training programs, industrial visits, and so on. All the efforts put by the staffs are greatly appreciable. Thank you, and thank you so much.
Hi everyone, myself Akhil Dash doing second year bachelor degree in international business at Srinarayana Guru College. Our department provides safe, professional and friendly learning environment. Apart from regular chalk and talk method, several methods such as Google Classroom, Kahoot, case presentations, online assignments are practiced. They provide high quality teaching and management in learning. Thank you.